Yo yo yo, what's up guys? Back again with me. It's Mitchell. Yeah, it's Mitchell. Okay, today I'm going to review the gorgeous oldies back way like 20 years ago. Now is 2025, and this is the Dainese replica Valentino Rossi globes. This is the one that most iconic a while ago, and then because as we can see there is there are two logos, one over here, one over here, each globe. DOCR means the doctor. That is the iconic name for Valentino Rossi, the doctor. DOCR. And these gloves worn by Vale in way back in 2005, while he's joining with the Yamaha, and very historical and kind of amazing for me, because that's how the way people more knowing Vale when he's off from the Honda, the RCV bike, then changed with the Yamaha M1. Then all I can say about this one, I have no words. And if you guys are Vale fan and looking for these, well, go ahead. Hopefully you guys can find it, because it is very hard to get. Again, this is 2005 gloves, replica gloves, and now it's 2025, like 20 years ago, and this is very hard to get. I know maybe some of you guys say kind of ugly, but yo guys, when you guys back in 2005, this is very nice, awesome. And these gloves are the first generation for Dainese metal glove that we know, and this is the one that I'm talking about, the metal things. The design is just so simple. Okay, let me just take from here. Okay, as you can see, the design just like this, has the Dainese logo, one over there, and all metal things. It's kind of different with the new one, the latest one especially. And then as you can see, that's how the way they made it. Same way has the CP, and this is all leather with the carbon fiber things. Okay, same. Okay, the other side. Okay, that's the how it look like. Okay, as you can see here, same way with the strap, Velcro, and then yes, a blue Dainese logo. Okay, again white blue because this is Yamaha version. Back again way in 2005, while Vale with Yamaha, and as we can see here, the design was like kind of very simple, not a lot of complex. I think it's pretty just say you can see just that line of leather like that mixed with the white, and it's not leather, so they mix with that. And then okay, that's how the way it's the thumb. Okay, and in this version for this glove, there is no, how can I say, like the small squares that stick on the one of the finger here, like let me show you, hold on, sorry guys. So okay, back again with me, and I have example. So this is the difference with the next generation. So these are the first generation for the Dainese metal glove. So for all of you guys who viewing this video and thinking how the Dainese made the metal glove the first time, so this is the design. I have another one almost similar like this, but not with the yellow fluo like this. So everything just paint black with the letter black and no DOC logo. Same with the Dainese logo, but different replacement. How do they put it? But same way has this one and this one, those two. Okay, and again, if we compare with the next generation, this is the one. I have another Rossi replica glove. You can see the difference. Even these models has been used with a lot of moments, a lot of years with Dainese product. I think until way what 2000, I think even until 2020 something, if I'm not wrong, they're still using this model. So you can see the metal all like combined together with the blue yeah, I don't know what to call this, like a blue Dainese logo. Again, the old days just like this. So again, that's the difference. And this the difference again. And then the next generation for the glove, replica glove Vale, they are doggy logo, the dogs. Yeah, I think, yep. Okay, that's his favorite dogs. So we are not viewing this, that's gonna be later. So that's the difference. And another one, as I said, since this is the first generation, these glove, they are plain, you can see. But after this glove, Vale always put these on the left, like stitching square, adding another letter, then stitches here. So when you see things like this, it doesn't mean like, yo, the glove broken and maybe it has a hole, then somebody was trying to fix it by adding another small square letter. Nope, that's not wrong, guys. So Vale using it for the clutch. Well, as you can see, this is the left hand, in the left glove. So this is for the clutch, to make him like more better for the grip, I think, for the feelings. And since that, all the Vale gloves has this for many years. But again, only for the Dainese replica Valentino Rossi glove. Other regular glove gotta be just like this, like plain. Okay, so that's the difference if we compare with the next generation. So if you are a Vale fan and love want to having this, go ahead, try to look online, any other website. Good luck to find it, because these are not easy to get in this condition, because mostly these glove you will getting them like broken or other things, you know, maybe from crash others. And all I can say, when you have these, just keep it up. And this is the best part. So I'm talking about now, I'm going to talk about the bad parts. Okay, since these are letters, you guys have to, if you guys having them, you guys have to adding some letter protection. Okay, better be not with balsam, but like with the liquid for the letter, that's better. And then The best way, if you guys want to worn a glove like this, when you trying to off from your hands and you want to open the strap, after you open it, don't pull it very hard. As you can see, this the stitches still good. If you pull this very hard, this will happen. As you can see, it's like starting open. And this is all I have, guys. I'm sorry. I had the new one, I sold it, so I just better keep it the used one. And this is what happened when I pull it very hard for it. That's the one, that's the bad things. So it's gonna be, if you ask me, can I put another stitching, more stitches? Nope, because the stitches only around here, but not like this. You see this like divide to the letters. So again, example, this area, be careful when you off it. Don't just pull it hard, just gently you open it and be nice with it, and these will last very long time. But if you be rough on it, doesn't matter regular of the replica ones, guys, this will happen. So this is the one that the bad things from this glove. They are not very strong for the I mean around these velcro areas. Everything's good, the strap good, this good, they are strong, but again, not these. So if you wanna, again, you want to try to keep it up for a long time, just try be gentle when you want to, like you off it like this. Just slowly, sorry, my other hand is holding the camera. So like this, just slowly, and that's it. Just like that, not just like just like open up strong like that. For the first and second time, I don't know how many times, maybe it will be keep strong, but it will be, you will get things like this, trust me. Especially when this kind of year like now, this is old stuff, so try to appreciate old things. Don't be rough, because even though it look like strong, but it doesn't, the age. Okay, so the bad thing is just that if you want to having these, and or you have these but you want to wear it, just be careful with that. And as usual, the bad things from the Dainese gloves until year 2020, I think, when they still using this material, this like a suede materials. They are good, but many times they are getting bad if you don't know how to take care of them. And then you will get like black things like this, you can see, that come from here. Example, like from this glove, like the yellow one before, this like like tearing apart. Well, nothing less forever, but that's all I can say. If you ask me then how to take care of these, well, just trying to avoid any impact, or like maybe you just don't rub it. If you rub this a lot or strongly, this will come off and gonna be broken. Okay, so that's all my review for this Dainese 2005 Valentino Rossi replica glove. Thank you for your time. See you again in my other videos, and thank you for watching, guys. Again, if you have this glove, just try to keep it up, because these very hard to find now, especially nowadays in 2025. 20 years ago, my friend, all things. Thank you for watching, guys. See you around. Ciao.